Did you know that replacing an employee can cost your company up to 213% of their annual salary for high-level positions? Shocking, right? Yet, 50% of employees are actively looking for new jobs, even while employed. That's half your team with one foot out the door. Here's another jaw-dropper: 75% of turnover is preventable, according to the Work Institute. But most companies focus on hiring rather than fixing what's broken. Think about it, losing great talent doesn't just hit your bottom line. It disrupts your culture, weakens morale, and burdens your remaining team. In this video, we'll uncover 6 game-changing strategies to keep your best people around. These aren't your typical tips. We'll dive into cutting-edge ideas backed by data and real-world success stories. Stick with us to learn how listening better, celebrating wins, and rethinking flexibility can save your company money, boost morale, and create a workplace no one wants to leave. Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Silent Power of Listening. Feedback loops that retain. Creating a workplace where employees feel heard is crucial for retention. A study by Culture Monkey found that 94% of employees would stay longer if their company invested in their career development. This highlights the importance of regular feedback. Yet, many companies still rely on annual reviews, which often miss the mark. Instead, implementing continuous feedback loops can make a significant difference. For instance, 60% of employees want feedback on a daily or weekly basis. By providing timely and constructive feedback, companies can boost performance and satisfaction. Moreover, organizations with anonymous feedback systems receive 58% more honest input, leading to better decision-making. In essence, listening actively and acting on feedback can transform the workplace, making employees feel valued and engaged. Chapter 2: Culture Champions. Building a tribe, not just a team. A strong company culture is more than just perks, it's about shared values and a sense of belonging. According to SHRM, 91% of employees who rate their workplace culture as good say they can trust their supervisor. This trust fosters loyalty and reduces turnover. On the flip side, a toxic culture is a leading predictor of employee turnover, being 10 times more important than compensation. Companies like SAS Institute have demonstrated the power of a positive culture. With a turnover rate of just 3 to 5%, compared to the industry average of 20 to 25%, their focus on employee well-being and trust has paid off. Building a tribe means creating an environment where employees feel connected and valued, leading to higher engagement and retention. Chapter 3: The Growth Engine. Career pathing that puts people first. Employees crave growth and development. A Gallup report found that 94% of employees would stay at a company longer if it invested in their career development. This underscores the need for clear career paths and development opportunities. Companies that offer personalized growth plans see higher retention rates. For example, organizations with strong learning cultures have 30 to 50% higher retention rates. Mentorship programs, stretch assignments, and internal mobility are key components of effective career development strategies. By focusing on individual aspirations and providing the necessary resources, companies can foster loyalty and reduce turnover. In today's competitive job market, prioritizing employee growth is not just beneficial, it's essential. Enjoying this so far? Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more actionable insights on career growth and workplace strategies. Let's dive into the next 3 chapters. Chapter 4: Well-being Beyond Benefits. The Wellness Revolution. Employee well-being is more than just offering health benefits, it's about creating a supportive environment. A study by the American Psychological Association found that 89% of workers at companies that support well-being initiatives are more likely to recommend their company as a good place to work. However, it's not just about physical health. Mental health support is crucial. Companies that offer mental health days and counseling services see a 13% increase in employee performance. Moreover, flexible work arrangements can reduce burnout. A Gallup study found that employees who spend 60 to 80% of their time working remotely have the highest engagement levels. By focusing on holistic well-being, companies can create a healthier, more productive workforce. Chapter 5: Recognition Overload. The science of appreciation. Recognizing employees' efforts is a powerful tool for retention. A survey by Gallup revealed that employees who do not feel adequately recognized are twice as likely to say they'll quit in the next year. This highlights the importance of appreciation. But it's not just about annual awards. Frequent, specific recognition can make a big difference. For instance, companies with recognition programs that are highly effective at improving employee engagement have 31% lower voluntary turnover. Peer-to-peer recognition is also impactful. Employees who receive recognition from their peers are more likely to feel valued and stay with the company. By fostering a culture of appreciation, businesses can boost morale and keep top talent. Chapter 6, Flexibility, the Secret Sauce, Why Remote is Here to Stay. The demand for flexible work arrangements has grown significantly. A study by Buffer found that 99% of employees would like to work remotely at least some of the time for the rest of their careers. This shows a clear preference for flexibility. Companies that offer remote work options see a 25% lower employee turnover rate. Moreover, flexible schedules can lead to increased productivity. A Stanford study found that remote workers are 13% more productive than their in-office counterparts. By embracing flexibility, companies can attract and retain top talent while boosting performance. If you found these strategies valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you stay ahead with tips that create better workplaces and stronger teams.